Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing something that I've always wanted to do on this car, and it's going to be tinting the front windshield. Like, I've always been scared to do it because I was always scared of getting pulled over and whatnot and it being too dark at night, so I never pulled the trigger. But if you guys remember Boris's car, like, we made the front splitter for his car in the last video. So his car is actually tinted 20% all the way around and 35% on the windshield. It looks really dark from the outside. In the right angle it looks like it's 5% basically everywhere, but last time he gave me a ride in his car at night because I wanted to see how 35% on the front windshield is at night, and it was actually amazing. Like, you couldn't even tell there was any tint there. I wish I actually recorded that, but I couldn't get any footage of it. But yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here and you're excited for this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below. So right now, let me just show you guys around. So when I bought the car already came tinted all around except for the windshield. I am a little scared since it's a little bit illegal, but you know, like, my front window tints are not that dark, so I'm hoping it's gonna be fine. Like, I'm gonna get away with it. I'll show you guys on the outside what it looks like, but here on the inside you can see that the front ones are a lot lighter than the back ones, and my guess is that the back ones are like 20% and then the front ones are 35s. So this one compared to that one, and the front windshield has nothing on it, so I'm gonna be opting to do a 35% on that one. You guys can see the view before, and I'll show you guys an after, but keep in mind that the camera will change the exposure by itself, so it might not actually look like what it is. So yeah, that's the inside. Let me show you guys the outside. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like on the outside. As you guys can see, the front is like really blue, and then the side, so 35 and 20, you can clearly see in the front, right? And I feel like that's way too much light that gets let into the car, so I'm gonna be tinting this 35% to match this. And let me show you guys the back. So yeah, the back is like, I think 20%, my guess. So I'll try to confirm with the tint guy, like, if he knows, if there's a way he can measure the front and the back, because I've always wanted to know. I just never knew because that's how I bought the car. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we're there, and I'll try to get a couple of shots. Okay, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so we're at the tint place right now. So I'm at Rob. He's working on the car right now. I know it might be kind of hard to hear, but I'll try my best to get some footage in for you guys. Alright guys, so it's all done, and this is what it looks like in the same lighting inside. I'll show you guys better pictures or videos outside, but yeah, it looks great. Let me take you guys up close. So because of the dot matrix on the windshield, there's going to be some air bubbles left. Alright guys, so we're out the shop now, and this is what it looks like outside. Honestly, it looks so much better, but like, I know the lighting is kind of bad right now. It's making it look like it's a lot darker than it actually is. But damn guys, yo, you guys should definitely do that. Jesus. So 35% he confirmed it, 20% on the back, and 35% on the windshield. So this is what it looks like. It looks so dark on the outside, but let me show you guys the inside. You guys are not even gonna believe it. So if you come close, you can see kind of the inside, and you can see these marks right now. He said that it's all gonna go away after like about a week, when some heat gets into it and all the water evaporates. But okay, look, so that's the outside, and that's the 35% that was originally on the car. And now let's move to the new windshield. Bro, honestly, if anything, this looks even lighter than this one. Or am I tripping? Or maybe the exposure adjusted itself. Remember I said it might do that at the start of the video? But yeah, so for all of you guys who live in the GTA, I'm currently in Brampton right now, in Brampton, Saga, that area. Let's see if I get pulled over. I don't know if I'm gonna get pulled over. I have a feeling I'm gonna get pulled over because this weather is making the tint look a lot darker than it actually is on the outside. So just to be safe, I'm gonna open my sunroof and then let's see if it lets more light in actually. Sunroof open, let's see. Oh fuck, it's still the same. Well, you can still see from the side, so I hope that's enough. So for all of you guys that have been wanting to get your front windshield tinted, you just didn't know if it was going to be too dark or if you just didn't know what percentage to go with, 35% is very good and it's very visible. As you guys can see, like it's even lighter than this, I would say. I'm gonna put a couple of shots in at night right after this because I'm really curious to see how it performs, but I really think it's gonna be okay based on driving in Boris's car, and his literally looked like there was no tint in the car, so I think we should be good, guys. So yeah, let's look at the nighttime clip now. Alright guys, so it's now getting really dark outside and I just want to show you guys how it looks. I saw it and it looks a lot darker than it does during the day, that's for sure, but let me show you guys. Okay, so right now it's 5 p.m. as you guys can see, so it's not too dark right now, but oh my god bro, this looks black. This dead ass looks freaking black. Like it's not as bad in person than it is on the camera. So this is what it looks like when the light is just reflecting off of it. It legit just looks black. You can still see inside if you come close. And this is the side, which is basically the same thing as the front. And then the back, can't really see anything. But yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside now. You know what's kind of weird? Remember how during the day this looked lighter than this? But now it's kind of like switched around, which is kind of weird. But it's still not too big of a difference, as you guys can see. But yeah, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It's perfectly fine. Like you guys saw how dark it was on the outside, but look how clear it is on the inside. And my headlights are not even on right now, so when you turn them on, you can see clearly what's ahead of you. My headlights do need to be adjusted upwards, so I'll be doing that in the next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and this mod. It's something I've really been wanting to do for a while now and finally decided to do it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. I want to hear what you guys think. Like if you guys think I'm gonna get pulled over, like what's gonna happen, because you guys saw how it looks on the outside. So yeah, make sure to let me know down below and let me know if you guys would do that too to your own car. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Later guys, peace. Thank you.